We've got a historical artifact called Willy. We've literally been on the bus for how long? Some coffee. Hello humans, potatoes, spuds, and everything else marvelous that exists in this wonderful room. My name is Yusmila and welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to Kew Gardens, and what we're gonna go do in Kew Gardens, we're gonna go in Kew. Get it? Because Kew Garden. Basically, Kew Garden is a botanical garden that they have here in the UK, and I'm gonna go and pay it a visit. You guys know I love myself a bit of nature, and you guys know also I'm never gonna go on an adventure without taking you guys with me. Yeah, today I'm going straight into the video rather than me just longing things out. Let's just go out, do you know what I mean? We just got off in Richmond. Now we need to go to the bathroom because we've literally been on the bus for how long? Like an hour and a half. Let's go get some coffee.
Can I live? Can I live?
So we did end up finding a bathroom, but in Costa. I'm just going to take a quick seat whilst I wait. The area is not like busy. There's not a lot of people. I mean, it's a Monday, so I don't really know what we were expecting. So the reason why we decided to go out on a Monday was only because there's hardly any people around, and honestly speaking, we kind of prefer it that way. This whole trip was just very spontaneous. We just decided to wing it, honestly speaking. We hopped on the bus and just expected for the best. We didn't even check the weather. But I think when you just do things spontaneously, I think it just adds a little, you know, a little touch of adventure. So far the day has been okay. Richmond is so pretty. Like, so pretty. Alright guys, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this vlog so far. I'm not talking a lot, but I'm waiting for me to actually get to Kew Gardens for us to talk. You guys can like the fit. Immaculate. We did get a little bit lost on our way to the bus, but we have made it. After crossing the road multiple times and figuring out which direction we're going, we finally are on the correct bus. And the thing is, because we've never been here, we don't know. We're just following, because we've seen a couple of families around, so I think they're all going to the same place. So we're literally just going to follow it when we get to the bus stop, and hopefully we get to the correct place. But so far the day is going okay. I've got a super blocked nose thanks to hay fever. Hay fever's doing what it does best, but it's not going to stop our day. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. The day started a little bit shambolic, but we have made it on the bus. Can I just add, Richmond is such a cute area. Even though I live in London and I have been living in London for so many years, I forget that areas like Richmond exist. We were literally about to get the complete wrong bus. Kew Road, so it's only like 5 stops. We have arrived at Kew Gardens. You know, this whole area is so cute. It's so aesthetic. Made it through the gates. now we're going to go and explore the park. The thing is, we've never been here. We know nothing about this, but I think that's what makes the experience so much more fun. We're just going to literally wing it. Whenever I thought about Kew Gardens, I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but clearly we are in the forest. Forest, my berries. Time to find some berries. So we're on a quest. I wonder if we can actually find berries.
What the is going on in here on this day?
In this exquisite trip in the Kew Gardens and Gardens of Kew, we have the lime trees. I don't know if they are actual limes, but whoever this information says, isn't it? The smell in this whole park is so nice. Like, the air is so fresh.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
You know what? I feel like I'm in Brazil. Muito bem, minha gente. Estou aqui no Brasil. Estou aqui com a minha flor. Tudo muito bom, tudo muito bem. Vou comer puxão de frango. Put in TikTok. I inherited this place from my great grandfather,